Okay, and my name is Lena, and today we're gonna make
It's yummy and one very and tasty. It's called bar cake.
It's a cheesecake bar. And
No, it's supposed to be cake bar.
and right now,
cookies and the butter and the bone. No, it's still the butter. You know, Lena.
let's grease the pan.
Water. Well, Lena, stop being funny. Oh, I'll go first. I'll go with the both cookies. And
Isaac, do you like chocolate chip cookies?
yeah,
You do?
well, we're gonna put it in there and we'll eat those.
We have
We're
to,
gonna make a cake bar. Flavor, yummy flavor. Yes,
It isn't a cake bar. It's a cheesecake bar.
It's called.
Add cheese to it. It's a cake bar, and we're done greasing the pan. So now, Isaac,
No.
you may do the honors of squishing these onto the pan.
It's quite like a pancake.
squash it like a pancake.
Oh, Isaac.
Okay, don't get that in your hair, okay, dude?
Okay.
Keep it in. Isaac, get a little bit closer to the bowl, dude. No, wait.
Ew.
I feel like this is a little bit of a safer option. What do you think, Isaac?
That's funny.
What was funny?
I got it on her face.
You did. You got it all over the place, didn't you?
Even
No.
in the bowl, which is kind of hardcore.
Mom,
Yeah.
it's a disaster.
You know what you got?
What?
You got downgraded.
Done rated?
Downgraded to a manual whisk.
Menu whisk and
Yeah.
and
What you?
meditative.
What you?
It's not as light as the other bowl.
That's yummy.
No. Not when I'm holding up this time.
Isaac.
You're too close.
Listen.
No, not done yet. Now, this is it.
Yeah.
Again. Ta-da!
Okay, bud. What is it? What is that called?
Mom, let's go.
What is it called? Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
Yeah.
It's called Cool Whip. Plop. Plop, plop, plop. Too big.
Spreading around.
So that's.
You're up, buddy.
And if you don't agree, you hate
Sorry.
it.
Mommy, the work are done. Bye-bye.